You're going to have to walk with it a little bit. Ty, you got to walk with it a little bit. I didn't say run, I said walk with it. Where's your coat? You ran out the door, didn't even put a sweatshirt on. I'm gonna go get you a sweatshirt, okay? Yep, ready. Remember, you have to walk with it, okay? So it doesn't get too far.
Get out of stuck with me. Hey, I made a big break. There's a hole in there. Ooh, this,
Muddy. Keep going backwards. Or don't play in the mud. Ty, stop. No, stop. Stop. Now. Excuse me. You don't do that. Da 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 da.
What?
Nothing. I was copying you. Why are you driving backwards? Why are you driving backwards? Oh, okay. I don't know, maybe because it's going uphill? I told you in the house not to keep playing with it because you're going to run the batteries down. Ty, get your shoe.
You should have tied it.
Well, I didn't know it was untied.